In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to Elementor. So in order to add an HTML code to your Elementor, you first need to have a WordPress account ready. So in my case, I already have my WordPress account, but if you do not have one yet, you can head over and then log in to the actual page for that. You can click on this login option or click on this get started option and then purchase a business plan and then install Elementor from there. So this is what Elementor looks like once you have actually added it. Onto this case, let's head over and click onto this create a page in order to create a new one. Now in here, I have my actual website, which is the Sunrise Hotel, and then this will load and create a page that is created by Elementor onto this part. So this is our actual Elementor onto the site. Let me head over and skip this part, and this is what it looks like. You can rename your site, and you can see the structures, you can see what elements you can actually add. So on my case, I'll head over and input an HTML code. So under the widgets right here, you can scroll down and then look for the HTML option. Alternatively, you can click on the search widgets and search in here for HTML, and you can see this. So you can just drag and drop it, for example, into this part. And then once you have added it, it will show up like this. And here is the actual editor. Into this, you can just input the actual code that you wish to use. So I actually go over to Common Ninja, but if you're actually knowledgeable in coding, you will have some more things that you can utilize under this part. So I have Common Ninja and it gives me widgets. For example, onto this testimonial, I'll just retrieve the code right here and copy it, then head back to my Elementor and paste that right here. Now this will load in here this part in order to utilize this. And as you can see, the actual element has now been added. And once you're done, you can head over and click onto this publish option right here in order to publish it on your site. So that's how you add HTML code to Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.